How to buy BNB Smart Chain. Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on crypto basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to buy BNB Smart Chain. To learn how, keep watching the video until the very end. First of all, go ahead and tap on your TrustWallet application, and then after you search under crypto you won't be able to find it, and then even after you search at the search box you won't be able to find it. So that might be a little confusing. So worry not, I'm gonna teach you how. First of all, go ahead and tap on buy, which is at the top middle option, and then here you have to search BNB Smart Chain under buy. So here will be only option available, so go ahead and tap on it. Now you will be entered with the value of BNB under your currency. You can always change the currency by tapping on the little flag at the top, and then you are good to go. Go ahead and tap on buy with credit card. Now you will be taken to a different website where it will ask your card details. So go ahead and provide them with your card number, expiration date and name on card, and then check into boxes of safeguard for future use, and I've read and agreed to all the terms and conditions, and then you are good to go. Go ahead and tap on next, and then in the next page you will be asked to buy finally. So quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you will be notified when we post. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye until then.